Hi everyone, welcome back to the Revamp Revolution. If you haven't been here before, my name's Roz and I love to upcycle. I love to take something that's been discarded, turn it into something beautiful and useful again. Okay, so today's tutorial, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you one of the most versatile things you can pick up from a thrift store is a plain white men's business shirt. There's so many things you can do with them, but just one thing that you can do with them I'm going to show you today and maybe give you some inspiration, and it could be a lot of fun. Okay, so also what I found at a thrift store was a beautiful fitted sheet, but it had sunflowers all over it. So what I've done, I've cut out a whole pile of the sunflowers and I'm going to applique them onto the shirt, but I want to do something a little different. Okay, so let's see what I can come up with. Talk to you soon. Well, I've placed my appliques on where I'm happy with. So this is the front, all pinned. One sleeve. The back, I have a big double one across the back, a little bit over on the side, and then the shoulder one I have spilling over onto the back, and another little bit on the side. So they're all pinned on now, and it's time for me to go and stitch them on. I'll be back. So now I'm just about to stitch the appliques onto the shirt. I'm just using a straight stitch and I'm using white cotton because I've kept a little white border alongside each applique, and I'm just going to stitch along on that. Here we go. Well, here it is, all the appliques are on, and what I've done, I have slow stitched around each applique in a completely different colour, a blue colour, just to make them stand out. Not that sunflowers actually need a lot of attention to make them stand out. There we go, there's a close-up so you can see what I've done. I mean, sunflowers are just beautiful as they are. But I just thought, what a great way to upcycle a men's business shirt and a sheet, or you can put whatever appliques you want on it, and just slow stitch around the outside, or you don't even have to do that. You can just put the appliques on a shirt. I would wear this over a pair of swimmers in summer, over a pair of shorts, or with a pair of jeans and a camisole underneath. It's just a beautiful casual little top. Okay, so if you would like to see more of this, I will do some photography on it, and if you pop over to my YouTube shorts, you will see the photography photos of this. And also, I want to have a word with you about a group that I belong to called the Refashion Rebels. They're over on the school platform. It's free to join. If you want to become a premium member, you get a lot of benefits out of it. We're just like-minded people who love to upcycle, and we just brainstorm ideas and, you know, throw in, if we're having a problem, someone can come up with a solution for you. All right, so this concludes this project, and I really hope you've gained something from it. And thank you so much for coming along on the journey with me. And we'll see you next time. So happy upcycling, everyone.